Listen, this is important. So very simple, amma. Why you will lose marks? You will ignore this 50. Don't ignore this 50, this 65, this 45. If you write, you will get 1 marks. Naming, naming is important. AB line, axis line, CD line, then vertex, focus. You have to write P1, P2, P3 up to how many points you've taken. Mirror image, P1 dash. If you write, you will get 1 marks. If you draw this curve correctly, you will get 5 marks. But if your tangent and normal is not correct, you won't get these 3 marks. So that's why I told every problem 99.99% it is with tangent and normal. 30% weightage is for this tangent normal. Condition, you have to correctly measure, mark X point on the curve, join that with focus. The relation between this line and this line should be perpendicular. Where it cut directrix, that point join with X, that is tangent. Perpendicular to tangent is normal, and that tangent and normal should be passing through X only, because X is the point on which we are constructing tangent and normal. ఇష్టం వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎక్కడో డ్రా చేస్తే మార్క్ దొరకదు. ఇప్పుడే చెప్తున్నాను, ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో మెనీ స్టూడెంట్ విల్ లూజ్ మార్క్స్ ఇన్ tangent normal. Don't do, understand. Okay, take next problem. Draw a curve. Next, this is the one big problem. 10 marks question in exam, sure shot. Next, draw a curve. Next page. Draw a curve. Draw a curve. The distance between focus and directrix is, the distance between focus and directrix is, the distance between focus and directrix is 60 mm. The distance between focus and directrix is 60 mm. Name the curve. 60 mm, name the curve. 60 mm, name the curve. Full stop. Next. Also draw a tangent and a normal. Also draw a tangent and a normal at a point. At a point. At a point. 55 mm from the focus. At a point. Also draw a tangent and a normal at a point 55 mm from focus. Now I asked this value from focus. Any doubts? This value I asked from focus. Earlier problem I asked from directrix. That's why I told there are 3 methods. Each method I will apply in one of the case. I don't know what is the nature of curve. Shall I proceed? Yes, sir.
Sir, eccentricity.
Ade talent ra. That is the missing element. That's why I told he is very cleverly given that question. I will draw what I don't know. That is the simple method. It is A, this is B, this acts as a directrix. What is the axis line? Perpendicular to directrix is axis line. I will draw perpendicular to directrix. This is C, this is D. This acts as an axis. What is the distance given? 60. See, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is 60. This point is focus. Draw 60. Yes, Pooja. Now you joined. Okay. Pooja, permit. 1 minute. Pooja, can you respond once more time? Pooja.
Yes, sir.
Ichanamma, permission ichanu. Right. Now it is 60. See, this is 60. Now question is that he not given eccentricity. How to draw? Amma? Eccentricity is not given. Earlier method we talked about eccentricities 2 by 3, 3 by 5, something something. But here why he is not given eccentricity? Amma? Why he is not given eccentricity? Anyone respond? What is the eccentricity value? Eccentricity value of ellipse is less than 1. It is ellipse. Equal to 1. It is parabola. Greater than 1. It is hyperbola. Already ellipse less than 1, 2 by 3 less than 1, 3 by 5 less than 1, 4 by 5 less than 1, 3 by something 2 by 5 less than 1, anything you take. Then parabola
Equal to 1.
equal to 1 means
Anything. 3 by 3,
anything.
2 by 2.
3 by 3, very good. 3 by 3, 2 by 2, 1 by 1, 5 by 5. What is this? 60 divided by 3 to bisect it. Bisect means 30 by 30. How much? This side 30. 30 by 30 is how much?
1.
How much, Amma? 1 na? Vachinda? Satisfied our? That's why in parabola, he won't give eccentricity, Amma. It means you have to bisect this value into 2 equal parts. Got it? Got it? Any doubts?
No, sir.
ఇది జాగ్రత్తం. ఎక్సెంట్రిసిటీ ఏ లేదంటే పానిక్ అయిపో అవసరం లేదు, బికాజ్ ఎక్సెంట్రిసిటీ is 1. Just divide the total value by 2. That center point itself. Next, again, same procedure. Only this is the thing you have to remember. Vf is equal to V. How much Vf? 30. As per this problem, take 30 perpendicular line. This is E. It is relation is perpendicular. Join C line. Join C line. Extend it. Parabola is an open loop or closed loop, Amma? Parabola is
Open.
open loop. It have one focus, one vertex, one directrix. Finish. I got one directrix, one vertex, one focus. Only ellipse is a closed loop. Parabola and hyperbola are open loop. Okay. What I will do? I will take 2 points. Divide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish. If you want one more point, you can take. Why? Because it is open loop, Amma. It is a continuous process. So I just divided after vertex 4 points. Same procedure. Draw. Same perpendicular line. It has to cut C extension line. It has to cut C. Take only 4 to 5 points. Don't take more than that. Because it is an open loop. You are able to justify the answer. Open loop means it is no end. See, wherever it cuts, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Same procedure. Take 1 dash as a radius. Fs center. This is F. Cut one line up as well as down. Same 2 dash as radius. Fs center, cut second line. 3 dash as radius. Fs center, cut third line. 4 dash as radius. FS center. Center should not change. This is 4. See, here it is not cutting. Arey nothing, amma. If it is not cutting, extend it. Because I drawn smaller line, extend it. Don't get any panicness. Name it. This is P1, P2, P3, P4, P1 dash, P2 dash, P3. You are observing? Wherever point is there, I will write one small x. It will help me. P4 dash. Join very smooth curve from vertex. Vertex to P1, P1 to P2, P2 to P3, P3 to P4. After P4, just a little bit stretch it. Why you have to stretch, Amma? Why you have, I asked you to stretch?
Then it has more points, no sir. After that.
More points. It is not end. It is not end, means it is still moving. Join it and dark the curve. Parabola is very simple compared to ellipse. See, this is parabola, ma. Finished, ma. Parabola is an open loop. Parabola is an open loop entity. Only one focus, one directrix, one things. Any doubts? Shall I finish tangent and normal? After that, you will note down.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Listen. This is important. Jagratam, only one dimension is important, 60. Now, he told that 55 mm from focus. Then you have to take radius. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55 mm. I taken radius of 55. From focus, this is focus. Cut the curve up as well as down. There are two probabilities, but I will prefer this bottom. I will name this as X. Same naming. I will prefer that. How much? What I did, Amma? Earlier I measured from directrix, but now he told that don't measure from directrix, measure from focus. Yes, I measured 55 mm from focus, taken compass. I will cut up as well as down, two probability. So I taken bottom. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, right. So we taken join with focus. Procedure does not change. Join with focus, same. From focus, draw perpendicular line. You see, if this acts as a parallel, it acts as a perpendicular. Amma. It acts as a perpendicular. Yeah. It acts as a perpendicular 90 degree. It will cut somewhere directrix. Where it cuts, it has to first perform 90. It will cut wherever it cuts. Sir, last time it is kinda, that is nowhere concerned. It depends upon the given point. That acts as a S. Join S with X. This is your tangent, Amma. This is after that, write T dash, means one image, mirror image. Perpendicular to T dash from X. Draw. This is normal, Amma. Normal is perpendicular to X. This is tangent normal. This is important, Amma. Everywhere. Procedure is same. It is also 10 marks question. 1 marks for dimension, 1 for naming, 5 for curve, 3 for tangent and normal. Jagratam. The tangent normal is 30 marks. 3 marks, sorry, 30%. Got it? Not done. This is parabola. What is the name the curve? Right? Parabola. Finish. Name the curve. He asked, write its name below. I will take attendance. Then you note down. This is second variant.
16 tangents, sir.
Yes, amma, tangent chappala in once more time. Nothing,
Yes,
amma.
sir.
Tangent is given with respect to focus. What I told, there are three probabilities. Normal and tangent can be asked, one with respect to directrix, second with respect to focus, third with at any point. He is not giving value. He is asking to draw నీకు ఇష్టం వచ్చినప్పుడే draw చేయి. First directrix I measured from directrix. But now in this question I taken from focus. Okay, I measured 55. He told 55. I measured 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. After that, from where he told focus, this is focus. I will cut the curve. Where I cut, I want to cut the nature of curve. First, you have to draw nature of curve. I will cut at 55. Okay. I will name that point as X. After once I define the point X, then, if you want, you can write this R, how much? 55. You can write R 55 means
Radius of arc 55.
radius you taken 55. You can write it here because here it is given with focus. So from after the join X with F. Once you join XF, then it should be perpendicular. If it is parallel, it is perpendicular. Draw that perpendicular line. That is important. Draw this perpendicular 90 degree. That 90 degree line passing through focus, it is 90 degree to FX line passing through focus has to cut directrix. Wherever it cuts directrix, mark it as S. Some name you have to give. Join that S with X and extend it. It acts as a tangent. Once you know the tangent, the relation between tangent and normal is 90 degree. Relation between tangent and normal is 90 degree. Finished. Actually, today, if I have 2 periods, I want to wind up this conic section. But okay, no problem. Anyhow, we have Saturday class. Saturday, I will wind up conic section. One more left topic is left is parabola. Sorry, ellipse over. I drawn only one problem. You can solve any number of problem, only changing the values of focus and directrix and eccentricity. Parabola, only you can change the value of instead of 60, 70, instead of 70, 50, instead of 50, 45, whatever it may be. Only values will change, but nature of arc will remain same. And last is hyperbola that I will finish on that day. And on that day, I will wind up conic section sheet number 3. Any doubts you may ask. Practice chalama. Now you can draw in your drawing sheet these two figures with the tangent and normal. You should be ready with me because sheet number 2 today or tomorrow I will post the Google form. Last time so many students kept message, sir, sorry, delay. All I am keeping Google form 4 days, 3 days before. That is enough time to remind you. 4 days is not a small span. Morning I kept Google form. I asked you to upload evening means it is too early. When I am keeping Google form 3 days, 4 days before, then why you are doing late? And some students are trying at sharp 9 o'clock. Don't do that because network is not in our hand. So always prefer well in advance, wind up it. Right, we will meet on Saturday. On that day, we will finish hyperbola and we will finish this chapter. Any doubts? Otherwise, I will wind up my session. Yes, sir. And please share that
No, sir.
recording. Pooja, Bhavya, please share that recordings to my mail ID, Amma. Write today date and topic is conic section. If you want, write ellipse and parabola. Nothing wrong in that. If you want to make it so specific, it is too helpful for me. Thank you, one and all. Shall I wind up?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Right. Bye. See you.